These are the B elevators. There's a bunch of them at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. We've got this one over here going up, and it's pretty sizable. Let's go 10. 6,500 pound capacity, although I know not all of them are like that. Hi. You can get a good view facing to the south right here. You can see a little bit of Sarasota Bay. It still has the old door wrap up here on 10, and we're gonna get a different elevator going down. You can hear the motors from up here on 10. Just listen to those. They're all on the same controller. We got 6 of them that are labeled as elevators 16 through 21. We got this one right here. Some of them have older brails. I wonder why. And this one's got a rear door. If I recall correctly, no, it's not this one. One of these other elevators, I believe, goes up to 11. And 1R is not a restricted floor, interestingly enough. This one also has a 6,500 pound capacity. And we're stopping. We're going to cut the video here. Alright, we stopped at a lot of floors going down, so we're going to ride one more. We got number 17 right here. Let's go up to 10. One of these goes up to 11. I'm not sure which one it is. And we're stopping, so I will cut it here. We're here at 8. There's your inspection certificate. This is the Waldemere Tower, by the way. Got a code blue key switch right there. I'll cut them when we get one. Got elevator 19 right here. Let's see if we can... How far down can we get before we stop? Let's get a quick cab view. Same as most of the others. But you know we're going all the way down. And we'll end the video down here. That'll be it.